First step's always to take a look at the edge, see what it needs. This one is pretty clean. It's got a little bit of a wear, so we'll clean it up real quick on a medium India. Inspect it to make sure that you're grinding straight across and that you're grinding down to the edge. Feeling for a burr, not one there yet. Starting to feel the burr. It's still grinding straight across a little bit on the top side, so I'll put a little more pressure on the forward side. And there's a burr all the way across. There's a little bit of wear on the back side, so I put the back side on the India. It's moved the burr to the top side now, and now I'll go to the Washita. Move the burr to the back side. Looking at the scratch pattern on the bevel, I'm getting scratches all the way to the edge. A couple more passes. Burr feels even. Backside scratches, or the scratches appear even. So I'll go from the Washita to the hard Arkansas to refine it just a touch more. Move the burr back to the front side, to the bevel side. That's looking good. burr is very, very minute and scratches all the way to the edge. Move the burr again. Quick inspection, and it looks like this edge is ready to take to the polishing stone. Use an Niagara to flatten and to make a slurry on the J-nut. Polish the back. As you can see, I'm getting a good black streak, so it's cutting well. That looks good. At this stage, it's almost impossible to fill a burr, but you can inspect it. And you can see that the polishing stone has polished the bevel all the way out to the edge. I don't normally test an edge, but if you wanted to test this edge, you could probably shave a little bit with it. Yeah, it'll take hair off. And it would cut paper. So this edge is plenty sharp for anything that you want to work wood with.